So this lesson is over volume of a cylinder. And on our formula chart, the volume of the cylinder says this: volume equals big B times H. And we talked about big B is the area of the base. And in a circle, in a cylinder, the big B is a circle. And the formula for area of a circle is right here: pi r squared times the height. So the volume of a circle would be pi r squared h. Okay, let's look at this example, the area of the base of the circle. They are pointing to this 10 is this entire length right here. So that is the diameter of 10. The radius is half the diameter. Radius equals 1/2 the diameter. So we have to divide the diameter by 2 to get the radius. And the height of this thing is 2. So look at what they've done here. The area of the base is pi times r squared. So pi times r squared, and that's pi times 25, and then you multiply that out, and you get 78.5. Okay? So look at example 2. What is the shape of the base of a cylinder? We already said that's a circle. The area of the base is pi r squared. We're not going to use 3.14 anymore. We're always going to use the pi key. Not 3.14 anymore. No more. Okay? And the radius here is 1. So pi times 1 squared would equal pi. The height of the cylinder is 5. So big B times H, big B is pi times 5. And pi times 5, calculator. Okay, so I'm going to use the pi key on my calculator, which is right down here. Pi times 5 equals 15.7. Okay, so now example 3. What is the volume of the cylinder? So I'm going to use pi r squared h. The area of the base of the cylinder would be, I'll write my formula and then I'm going to fill it in. Pi times the radius would be 4 times the height, which is 7. The area of the base would be this pi r squared part. This is the big B. So I'm going to do pi times 4 squared. That equals 50.3. And then times 7 would equal 351.9. And this is centimeters cubed because we're talking about volume. So the units would be cubed. It's three-dimensional figures, so the units are cubed. And that is it. You can just type this whole thing in. Pi times 4 squared times 7. And there's your answer. And that is it.